Okay. Then, do we have something like this in the country? How many?
Um, we have something similar to this, but in terms of the the total number that you can turn out, per hour is very you don't have that kind of. They could have smaller ones that can produce, then have it in different lines, but having it in the one factory line, turning out 48,000 bottles per hour, and we have two of the machine of such nature, turning out 48,000 bottles of water per hour.
So, how many people can this factory employ?
Depending on the, you know, at least it's going to employ nothing less than say 200, 500 people. Yeah, staff.
200, 500 people for a start. Can we see the factory?
Okay, yes, sir, yeah.
Delta State number one industrialist has embarked on a project to industrialize Delta State in its own capacity before the upcoming 2023 governorship election. And this is a display of capacity and ability to govern and bring economic sustainability to the youth, to Deltans, and to people in general. We want to take a tour around the facility and bring to bear some of the facilities in the area. We want to also extrude the various equipment in the factory and what they could do. Okay, I am now at the factory entrance. As you can see, work is ongoing at the factory entrance. And these are some of the equipment you could see for transporting finished products, forklifter. And we can also see some of the materials that are about being assembled for production. According to the engineer on site, the initial kickoff of this place will take up to 500 workers to work in this place as minimum capacity. We can see a well coordinated transportation of finished products. For example, production of beverages, canned drinks, water, bottles, and all of that. You can see that the production process is well coordinated, that after production, there's going to be a straight line transportation of them. You can see. And as a means of sustaining power to ensure that there is efficiency, there is already installed power lines that will help power the system. Let us meet with the site engineer. Well done, sir. It's good to meet you. How
Thank
is
you.
work today?
Work is fine.
How long will it take for this place to be ready?
Well, the next 1 to 2 months should be ready.
Oh, that's very good. So, what will be the cost of putting up this facility?
Wow, it's huge. I can't say precisely because we are here to work, and then the cost is not what I can discuss on now. But of course, it's a huge amount of money.
Okay, do we have things like this in the country? Of like that, this exact
No, we
capacity?
don't have this exact capacity. We have various smaller capacities, around the country, producing out. But this is like the first of the kind, in the country, producing 48,000 bottles per hour. This is the blower machine.
Okay,
There are two. We have two of it.
a blower
The
machine.
blower machine that blows up the pellets into the size of the water bottle.
So it blows the
It,
bottle.
it blows the bottle from the smaller units to the size that is, expected design. So we have the blower. This is the second blower. That's the first blower on the front. So
Okay.
each of them can produce 48,000 bottles per hour.
48,000 bottles
Per hour.
per hour.
Then we have the air conveyors that conveys those bottles to the washing. The
Okay, where
washing.
the air conveyor?
Okay, yeah, we have it here.
Okay.
Let's start from here so that you can appreciate
We are taking a live tour at the facility of the factory that will be made to engage in serious production of beverages and various bottling products.
Now, this is the first machine blower that blows the pellet bottles into the desired size of bottle that we have. So those bottle comes out of this air conveyor in their thousands, comes out from this in their thousands, goes through this line straight down. Then we have also the second blower machine that blows the bottles to the desired size. Also has its own conveyor. Then there's the point at the front which the conveyors meet, and then continuing to the washer that washes the bottles, and then the filler,
So this is
the
the
capper.
washer.
No. This is still the the second blower machine.
Okay, this is second blower machine.
So we're having 40,000 coming out from here, another 40,000 coming out from here per hour.
48,000
bottles.
48,000 bottles per hour.
So this is the conveyor for the first one. Then the second conveyor also coming from the other end. They all meet at that point. They all meet at this junction. They all meet at this junction. Then they now form one particular link output into the washing the washer. Let's go front and see the washer.
So what is special about this plant is that this gives you the highest production capacity currently in the country.
Yes, in the country. In a single line. So this is the conveyor, air conveyor conveying the output of the two blower straight now into the washer that washes the bottles, then take it straight into the filler that fills the bottle, and also the capper that cap the bottles. So all this happens around this area. So the washing, the filling, and the capping. So we have the conveyor that brings the cap to that junction up, and then they come and then do the after the filling has been done, they do the capping.
So what about those tanks there? What are they meant for?
Those are the tanks that take the water, the treated water. This place is the bottling line. We have the other factory that performs the water purification. So it is the output of the purified water that comes into the filling here. So this is place where you blow the bottles being conveyed to the washer, filler, capper, and then the labeler. We will see the labeler on the other end before it moves into the wrapping and the packaging unit for delivery or for storage or for delivery.
It has been observed that this facility, in terms of production capacity, is the highest currently in Nigeria. And this holds out a good prospect for Delta State, that if maximized, it will help eradicate unemployment.
Now, in order to achieve all this, of course, the factory is powered by a 1.5 MVA transformer with 500 kVA generator. We have the main panel here, and then we have the process panels lined up by the side. So the power of the factory is also equipped with a synchronizing panel that synchronizes the three generators so that we can have enough power. So, but this is the main distribution panel that distributes power to the processing panel. You can see this is processing panel, wherein all the automation of the conveyor line, the current process have been taking power and control from. Now, at the end of the day, by the time the water has been packaged, this is where you come for packing for delivery. Call it the palletizing unit, where you pack, you've been packed into onto the pallets, and then being loaded onto the truck or for storage purposes. So, and it has some panels also here, so for palletizing and for wrapping.
Each operation goes with its own panel to ensure that there is no electrical hitch. It is well powered by an independent power plant, a network, well-coordinated network system of power that three big power plants can work at a time. So at the end of the production, we have the transport unit where the finished product could be packed and transported. And we can see the doorway where vehicle can come in to pack the finished products. So what about this?
Let's still be part of the packing unit. But let's get to the other section.
This is the packing unit.
They are all still under assembly. Once they are completely assembled. But this other section is where you have the labeling machine, and then the wrapping that wraps it in D12, 9, depending on the packages. So this is the wrapping section that does the wrapping. So you can ring them in 12 or 9, depending, and now. So all of these are the conveyors that conveys the water bottle that have been bottled, capped, and labeled. So you can see there's a long line moving into the wrapping and then into the packing unit. As I said, the output of the washer, filler, capper. You basically find, you can see the long conveyors because there's going to be a lot of bottles coming in automatically. So it goes and curve round and come into this particular machine that does the labeling. The labels, wrap the labels there. And then from the output of it, you have the labeled output that goes now into the packing, that packs it in batches of 9 or 12, wrap it, and send to the final packing.
Oh. So what about these?
Yeah, this is the capping now.
Okay,
You
the
know, the other side
capping.
here, when you do the washing, the filling, that is what cap the bottles. So
Okay,
when the
that
caps
means
it,
the covers must be somewhere before they are capped.
yes, they are coming. The copper is coming from up. You can see
Okay,
this is the conveyor that conveys
the
the
cover.
that one that goes up.
Okay, okay.
Then we are still going to complete it down. You can see where you have that at the, up there. That's where the cap. You can see. Come and see from here. Already look at that conveyor, that strip that came down.
Yes.
From there, that's where you see the capping coming. And look at what we have here. Those are the machine that cap the bottles. They cap the bottles. Then the capped bottles, filled and capped bottles, comes out from that conveyor, goes round and round and round and round and round. So you're gonna have a lot of them. They come for the final labeling that labels it here before it goes on for packing and wrapping.
Wow. So that means this is a multi-billion naira
It's
project.
a multi-billion project.
A multi-billion naira project.
It's going to provide a lot of job opportunities, both direct and indirect. So we are going to have delivery people delivering bottled water round. You understand? And then there is a whole lot of advantages and jobs that will come both direct and indirect as a result of this factory.
Thank you very much. This is part of the tour of the GKO factories where installation is going on for production of beverages, water, and other things you can think of that are bottleable. You know, good things come in bottle.
Anything portable,
So
this can really
it is
help.
a good opportunity for us to be at the site. This is just to let you know that one man has a capacity to industrialize Delta State. Olorgo Gbagi is on it.